welcome back to my channel. Here we are with another Tuesday tutorial, and today I'm just gonna do a beautiful cut crease with some gold brown. So today's a strong bold look once more, but today I just wanted to have a bit of a gold, a bit of glam. Yes, so today we're going glam, we're going all the way in. So I've already started with her eyes. I've done one side of her face, well, one side already of her eye, and now I'm just gonna show you how I did it with the other eye, and I'm just going straight in with the Morphe palette. I've been using, you guys will probably notice that I've been using a lot of the Morphe palette. I just love Morphe palette eyeshadows because it's so pigmented. But I do use quite a few other brands like Fenty Beauty. But I'm particularly fond of the Morphe palettes because of the nude, the brown. Yeah, so let's go ahead and start. So I've already started with a slight light brown, and we are going to go in with the rest of the look. So I'm just not going to bore you a bit too much with my talking, so let's get started. Keep watching and enjoy this look. I've already completed the eyes, and this is my favorite part where I'm using my own lashes. These are Perfect Lashes by Djey, and this is the Djey Lashes kit, magnetic kit that's just come out. Yes, it's new, guys. Go and check it out on my website, www.houseofdjey.com. And I've used the style Liliane. It's gorgeous, very natural, but yeah, it's beautiful. It's not in your face, but it's just perfect for this type of eye look. So I'm just popping it in. It's magnetic, guys, so you just put the glue like a liner and then just drop it, and it just sticks. You gotta let it dry, and then it just sticks on its own. So for those that have difficulties applying their lashes, this is the perfect kit for you. Here it is, and the style is Liliane. And now we're gonna go in with the rest of her face by starting with the primers and all the rest. So keep watching and enjoy.
Yannick, Zenith, peace. Severus every time.
And that was it for today. Hope you enjoyed this look. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. Don't forget to press the notification bell to get notified for any videos I upload. And if you like any of my videos, including this one, don't forget to press the thumbs up. You can also follow us on House of Djey on Instagram. We're also Perfect Glow by Djey on Facebook. Thanks for watching, ladies. Until next time, bye-bye.